everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. You have tuned in for a particularly exciting video today because I have a package and I'm about to unbox it. I'm seriously like a kid at Christmas time when it comes to unboxing videos. I love them and I'm super excited today because I'm unboxing a package from JJ's House. JJ's House is an online retailer. They specialize in wedding gowns, bridesmaid dresses, ball gowns, prom dresses, homecoming dresses, cocktail dresses, generally the be-all and end-all in fancy attire. So JJ's House got in touch with me a little while back and asked if they could send me over a dress to review, and I was like, yes. So I have it right here. Before I dig in and unbox it, which I'm really excited about, I just want to talk you through a couple things first. So the first thing that I want to say is the choice on this website is unreal. It took me a full week to choose which dress I wanted because it was endless. Like, there were pages and pages and pages and they all looked so beautiful, but also there was such a wide variety of dresses to choose from that I was like, where do I even start? The second thing is that I thought was amazing is that you can get a dress custom made specifically for your measurements. You can choose the standard dress sizes. They are all on the website and they have a really helpful sizing chart. But when I looked at the measurements for the sizes, like, I was between two sizes. Like, my waist was one size, my bust was another size, and that's the thing with like off the rack clothing, is that you never know for sure if it's gonna fit right. But with this, they will make it to fit your exact measurements, which is amazing, especially for the price, because these dresses are super affordable. And the thing is, most of the dresses, if you click onto them on the website, it's not just the one color that they display in like the big catalog. When you go in, you can choose that one style in about 20 different colors. So you might see a dress and think, wow, I really like the style of that, but I'm not so fussed on the color. But you can have it in a different color. Like, it's completely customizable, and I just thought that was genius. The second thing I want to mention is, even though it was custom made to order, it came super quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in because I cannot wait any longer, and I'm so excited and kind of weirdly nervous. I don't know why. Oh, sellotape, why do you hate me? Here is the package with the dress in, and this color is exactly what I wanted, because sometimes it's hard to tell online when you're looking at colors if it's coming off the way that it would in real life, but this is perfect. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is beautiful. Look at this, everyone. Can we just take a second for the quality of this dress? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to back up a little bit so I can show it to you guys, and then I will try it on so you can see, and for my own personal delight. But take a look at this. So it's got this sweetheart neckline, and then the back has all this absolutely beautiful lace detailing. It has a zip on the side, one of those invisible zips, and then it's obviously lined underneath. Oh, that's really soft. Oh, and then it's got like the chiffon, I think. You know, guys know I'm not good with fabrics, but it's really floaty over top as well. Oh, I am so excited to try this on. I just really quickly want to show you this detailing on the back, because obviously you have that really beautiful lace, but then you also have the continuation of this like ruffling all along the back as well, and it's just, I can't wait any longer, you guys. I have to try it on right now. Okay, so I have it on right now. Obviously, you can see that, but I definitely need to get a more appropriate bra for this, just because it is poking out in a couple of places. Please ignore that. But generally speaking, how amazing is this dress? I feel like a princess. Like, it feels so nice. It's so swishy and so floaty, and if you guys have ever seen me do a try on haul or try on anything in my life, you know that I love to feel like a Disney princess and just have swishy floaty dresses. It makes me so happy. It fits like an absolute glove. I mean, it was made specifically for my body, so you would expect that, but it just feels so nice on. This material is so soft but also so light. It's just, it feels so luxurious. Obviously I just took it out of the box, I haven't pressed it yet, so it's a little bit creased in places. So just ignore that and just take in the overall experience of the dress. And the back is just amazing. Look at all that lace detailing. It is beautiful. And this lace is so soft. It's not, sometimes when you wear lace on dresses, especially if it comes like right here where your arms meet your armpits, I guess, it can feel quite harsh or rough. It can be a little bit scratchy and irritating, but this, I mean, you can see from the way that it moves that it's so soft and so comfortable to wear. I love the length on it as well because it comes just to below my knees, which if you're going somewhere where you're wearing a fancy dress, I feel like having something super short is not always appropriate. But having something that falls just below your knees, for me, that's so flattering. I don't particularly like my knees. I know a lot of women don't. So having something that just floats here, I feel like it makes my legs look a lot slimmer than they actually are, which I appreciate. And it just feels very classy. I'm so ready to go somewhere fancy now and do some fancy things. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm back in my little filming space. Obviously, I have not taken my dress off, and I feel like I might just wear it all day, prancing around the house, pretending that I'm Cinderella, like the grown-up that I am. But honestly, you guys, I'm so in love with this. I know that sometimes when you order things online, and I think even sometimes more so when they're made to order, you kind of wonder, are they coming from some sketchy back alley Chinese shop, like where everyone's sewing in the dark and it's all like really tacky polyester or something? And that thought did cross my mind when I agreed to do this video. I was like, what if this dress comes and it's one of those expectations versus reality type things? And I have to come on to you guys and be like, this is the dress I thought I would receive. Here is essentially a red plastic bag. But I'm so relieved to know that there's a website out there where you can get dresses made to order in any color, any style that you want, made to fit your body at a reasonable price, and the quality is absolutely phenomenal. I wish I had known about JJ's house when Abida and I were shopping for our dresses for the Marine Ball, because 100% I would have been all over that. So another really exciting thing I have to share with you guys is a coupon code for you to go ahead and use when you order your dress from JJ's house. It's for 10% off. It lasts until the 15th of March 2019, and it's just Aimee. I will leave it in the description box down below along with a link to this dress in case you love this one as much as I do and you want to get like same. Like I said, you can get this dress in any color. I will leave all the information about this specific one that I got in the description box down below along with the coupon code, but it's 10% off anything on the online shop. So go ahead and knock yourself out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Clearly I really did. I just don't ever want to take this dress off right now. I just feel so fancy in it, and I'm so excited to go on like some big fancy date night, do my hair, do my makeup, wear my sparkly Cinderella shoes, and feel like a genuine princess. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a member of our Oddball family. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs and I love you. But until next time, I'm gonna go and like prance around in this dress a little bit more, feel a little bit like swishy and flowy and all the things. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.